All right, so today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and sand everything down real nice. I may put some wood along the side of this just to embox it. But that's the sleeping platform. Looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and get it sanded down real good. Get rid of all these hard edges. Let's get it going. For this, I'm gonna be using this little cheap Black & Decker sander. I went over to Ace, grabbed some cheap sandpaper, 100 grit. Let's see what it does. Let's see how it works. This sandpaper is really cheap, but there's a lot of sheets in it. It was only $7, I think, for 25 sheets. I don't know. Next time I'll spend a little bit more money and get a little bit better sandpaper, but it'll do the job. So if you look at these edges, this is kind of what I was just going for. Just really trying to smooth them out, make them look a little bit nicer. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna blow it off with the blower. That's a wrap for sanding, I think. I should probably hit that down there. I'll do that next, actually. And then I'll put her back in the van. I'm not gonna stain it. I'm gonna keep it natural wood. Keep it looking good, I guess. Just keep it the way it is. Sorry, I keep putting a finger in the camera, but it'll do. Got to figure out a way to anchor it down. Maybe you guys can help me with that. How am I going to anchor to these right here? Also, I think I'm going to go ahead and remove these. That way I can put a shelf. I don't know if I bolt the shelf to this, if it'll stay. But I think I'm going to put the collapsible shelves. Put 2 of them. One on this side too. Put one right here. All right, let's get her done. I need to vacuum in there. I'm gonna blow off all this stuff right here with the blower to get all the dust out. I'll probably run and vacuum that first, and then I'll put this inside. I'll be back.